Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. It's me, Raiza Contawi. This is a much requested video. Actually, may nagtag sa akin sa Twitter and sabi niya na-request na gumawa ako ng look ni Seulgi ng Red Velvet. And sabi ko, okay, sino ba ito? Hindi ko kasi kilala. So, nung ni-research ko, nakita ko yung look niya na ito and sabi ko, oh, that looks pretty. Why not? Okay, let's do that. And bago pa lang tutorial na to, nagpa-fillers ako sa Korea. If you haven't seen the whole experience, please do watch here on the link up here or on the description box below para makita nyo ang aking pagpapa-filler sa Korea. At the moment, I'm still recovering. Matabingi yung aking labi. But, yeah. So, if you wanna see, please do watch that. And also, meron din akong bagong tutorial na inspired kay Dua Lipa. So, nag-prepare pala ako ng maraming, actually, most of them KBeauty products. Marami sa kanila. And then the rest, yung mga products na gusto ko or feeling ko makakatulong para ma-achieve ko itong look na ito. So, I'm going to start with my primer or my base. Actually, yung look niya, hindi naman totally glass skin. Parang, it's clear but it's not totally glossy or hindi siya masyadong basa. So, it's okay to use a mattifying primer if you want to. For this look, I'm going to use Huxley. This is the Secret of Sahara Essence Grab Water. I want to try it. I feel like it's going to be my first time trying this out. Gusto ko yung mga water instead of oils because I fear that oils will clog my pores. But may mga oils din naman na hindi comedogenic. And I've been using their moisturizer na may oil content pero non-comedogenic. And I'm loving it so far. So I hope na okay din ito. Oh, okay. Malabnaw siya. It smells good. It smells like Huxley. May distinct amoy yung Huxley. I just want to give my skin a good start by hydrating it. Kasi yung skin ni Seulgi, tama ba? Tama ba yung pronunciation ko? Maganda. Parang healthy. And for this look, I'm also going to use Luxie brushes. Ito, Luxie Beauty brushes, all of them. I'm going to try to use all of them. So, napunta tayo sa base. I'm going to use ito yung Dear Dahlia Skin Paradise Blooming BB. Parang BB cream nila. And then, yung isa naman, itong Dear Dahlia na cushion foundation nila in Natural Beige. So, unahin ko muna yung BB cream para magkaroon lang, kung sakaling maputi man ito, para magkaroon ng inner glow. I always say this, inner glow. So, if you have something na light, for example, yung foundation nyo, light, unahin nyo na muna yun, and then tsaka nyo patungan ng something na kakulay nyo. And I also wanna try this out kasi dumating sa akin tong Dear Dahlia and I'm really fascinated. In all fairness, hindi siya sobrang puti as expected. Yeah, so nung dumating nga siya sa akin, I was very interested in trying it out kasi ang ganda ng packaging, di ba? And parang gusto mo na kung gaano kaganda yung packaging, sana ganun din siya kaganda sa totoong buhay. So right now, gagamitin ko itong precision brush. And I'm just going to scatter this all over my face. Oh no, may pimple ako. Oh. Maputi siya kapag na-apply na sa mukha. Dear Dahlia is one of the newest brands that I know of na dumating na rin dito sa Pilipinas. At kung saan siya available, Beauty MNL, I think. Online. But I'm sure is online siya available. And what I know is maputi rin itong BB cream sa akin. So, I'm just going to focus that on the center of my face and try this cushion foundation and hopefully okay din siya. You have to press this. This is the type of cushion na kailangan mong pisilin para lumabas ang product. And here we go. This is Natural Beige. Maputi din, but surprisingly, it's not again as fair as I thought it would be. This is so wrong since sobrang mali ng shade. But just keep on going. Just don't forget to blend and magagawa natin doon ng paraan. From here, I'm going to get the powder and I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 310 Sun Beige. So this one's a bit dark. Pwede to, as in maisasalba niya yung kulay ng ating foundation ngayon. But since it's too dark, we want to strategically place it on our face. So I'm going to start on the outer parts of my face para hindi naman magmukhang flat. So this will serve as my powder and at the same time as a subtle way to bronze up and warm up the face. So this pressed powder is not heavy on the pigment, so I can see na it's not making a lot of change when it comes to the shade of my base. So from here, I can now then drag this on the center of my face. Continue on with the buffing motion so you don't disturb the base na ginawa nyo kanina. And just carry on the rest of your face. For her brows naman, it's a bit bushy and strandy. So I'm going to use Tevion's. Ito yung eyebrow gel nila at saka yung eyebrow tint nila. And this one is in She at saka Madam. So I'm going to start with the tint. Now, why am I using this? Because I want to create those strands and I want to create the appearance of pagiging bushy pagdating sa brows. So what I'm going to do is, first, I'm just going to create the outline. I think her brows are straight naman. Yep. It's straight pero a bit upward. So I think sakto lang naman sa shape ng aking kilay or sa direction ng kilay ko. It's really just basically following the shape of my natural brows. Okay. So, yung stranding na yun ay hanggang sa medyo loob. There you go. And then, eyebrow gel. Sa eyebrow gel, madali lang. Just apply or coat the strands of your brows as usual. And I'm going to use a dark brown shade. This one is really parang this one is easy to use. All you have to do is just get actually an ample amount and then get another spoolie to tame the brows in place or to cover the strands. I will just do the other brow and I'll be right back. Kapag na-perfect nyo na yung brows, it's time for the shadows. So, yung shadow dito, mostly cream shadows or not powdery. I am going for my trusty Mersey liners dahil lahat ng colors doon sa eyes niya nandito. We have here rosy burgundy, which will be the base, followed by soft brown. And then we have here my favorite touch brown, of course. And then yung amber bronze to add shimmers and to add that parang may konting, metallic shade. And then for the black, for emphasis, I'm going to use this LB Tokyo, the Slim Gel eyeliner in black. And this one is also one of my favorites, especially their brown one, because if you want that precise liner, go for this one. I'm going to start with the Rosy Burgundy na Mersey liner. All you have to do is just blend everything with your fingers and you just have to build the colors. So while I do so, I'm going to look at her look para hindi ako ma-lost. So with this, I am going to apply this all over my lids. And then, blend it with my ring finger. While it's smudgeable, smudge it with your fingers agad. And blending it with your finger helps kasi parang yung warmth ng inyong finger will help na hindi mag-set agad. There you go. There. But if you want a cleaner application, and if you prefer brush, just grab this. Something like this eye shading brush. Synthetic brush from Luxy Beauty. And then, followed by soft brown. I'm going to extend that here. And then just blend everything again. After the soft brown, it's time for Dutch brown. And this time, I am going to now form the line. And as I go, I'm going to blend this with this flat definer. Habang nasa smudge pa siya. And then I will slowly build the wing. Pero actually, wing, gagamitan natin ng black. I just want a good, parang baseline for the wing. Once you have the base sa brown, now it's time to add up the gel black liner. Again, using LB Tokyo, the slim one. Itong eyeliner na to, mas madali itong mag-smudge compared to Mersey liner. Kaya mas gusto ko siya sa ibabaw ng Mersey liner para meron siyang hold. Now, time to diffuse it again using the same brush kanina. Once natapos na yung taas, ibababa naman natin yung kulay. I'm going to start again with soft brown. Pwede na natin skip yung rosy burgundy. Diretso na tayo sa browns. And then I'm just going to add this or apply this all over my waterline sa baba. And then using the same, this one, itong parang blending brush, I'm just going to quickly diffuse it. Add a little bit on the outer corner. Laliman nyo lang ng konti. Just on the outer corner. Then again, blend it with a brush. I will now add Dutch brown on the outer corner. And then on the middle, I'm going to use amber bronze. Now it's time for the lashes. Pero gagamit ako ng sobrang simple at sobrang natural lang ng lashes kasi simple lang at saka natural lang din yung lashes na dito. Pero ang trick dito is yung placement ng pilik mata. So I'm going to start here sa pinakadulo pala, I mean. Tapos ikakabit ko na sa bandang unahan. Tapos hindi ko siya masyadong itataas. Parang subtle lang. Ngayon naman, oras na para maglagay naman tayo ng kulay sa mukha. So, I'm going to contour. And I'm using this CDL Sculpting Contour Shading Powder. Para siyang too cool for school na yung Rodin art class, something like that. Unahin nyo na muna yung talagang edges ng face, no? This brush is really nice. It's soft and it's fluffy. Now, yung contour niya, I can't really see kung saan yung placement ng contour niya with this hairstyle, no? But I'm going to guess that it's not heavy. So, I'm just going to contour the side of my cheekbones dahil my cheekbones are too prominent compared to hers. And then, a little bit of contouring sa nose. For the blush, I'm going to use the lipstick na gagamitin ko mamaya, and it's Dear Dahlia as well. This is their Lip Paradise Intense Satin in the shade Megan 808. Ang maganda dito, ayan para lang siyang pabebe pink. Bagay na bagay ito sa blush. Tapos, ilalagay natin siya dito sa bandang baba. Actually, yung blush niya dito, pag tinitingnan ko yung picture, may pagka-warm. So, wait. Hahanap muna ako ng pampa-warm ng blush na ito. I feel like itong Ofra Rendezvous blush will do the trick. Matagal ko na itong hindi nagagamit pero let's try it out. Medyo matingkad lang siya, no? But it's definitely a lot warmer and orangey in a way. So, I'm going to apply that here. For the lips, definitely kailangan ng konting gloss. Kailangan parang healthy-looking lips. So, I'm combining my Burberry Oxblood. And, naghanap na lang din ako, I decided to go for this Kris Bilena in Let Go. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to apply it here muna, no, sa likod ng aking kamay. The thing kasi about this one is that, matte siya. Tsaka medyo namumuumuo siya. And then, ilalagay ko itong Burberry. Okay? And then, after that, sige, ihalo ko na rin tong Dear Dahlia just in case kailangan ko ng lighter shade. With that said, I'm going to apply itong kay Kris muna. And then apply it on the middle of my lips. Or on the center pala, sorry. adding the Burberry one. I'm just going to apply it hanggang dito sa ilalim just to remove the dryness. And sometimes it looks easy, pero dito ako pinaka natatagalan. I take my time in perfecting the juicy lips, as how I call it. And then using the blush kanina, no, I'm just going to tap a little bit just to achieve a warmer tone on the lips. Ang magpapagloss sa labi ko yung Burberry. Or if you don't have this one, then you can just apply any lip balm. So right now, I'm just going to do my hair and a few more add-ons, and we're done. That's it for my Seulgi makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed, and kung nag-enjoy kayo, let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and don't forget to get subscribed and notified by clicking the bell button below. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, all at Raiza Contawi. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye!